Check out this dark cloud in the mirror. In front of it's a little dark. Behind us, it's a dark, stinking cloud. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Looks like it could be tornado cloud, huge thunderstorm cloud. Wind starting to pick up. All the tree leaves are flipped over. Getting pretty crazy out there. Straight black looking around us. Look back here. Crazy. Coming across Charlotte right now. We've got a pretty big storm coming up, it looks like. So everybody better get home. Hide your kids, hide your wife. Check in the mirror here though. It's straight dark. Golly, it's so dark.